Introducing a new revolution in LED lighting. Today, we're going to show you how to install a ZR30 into a Par 38 can. The ZR30 is a revolutionary lighting instrument that has a wide color gamut and simply screws into a conventional Edison socket. Par 38 cans, or practically all socketed fixtures, are perfect for an upgrade with the ZR30, as it can transform your stage light from a fixed color to a fully DMX-controllable red, green, blue, white spotlight. Let's look at some of the features briefly. Here's the Edison screw-in base and a dip switch for various control settings, and two RJ45 jacks for the DMX signal. The first step is to remove the gel filter and the old incandescent lamp. In most cases, these old light bulbs are recyclable. Next, before we go further, let's set the dip switch to the DMX address we want. In this case, we want the red channel to be address 1, with green at 2, blue at 3, and white at 4. So we set all the dip switches to off. Next, screw the ZR30 into the socket, making sure it's fully seated. Now plug in the DMX control signal using a Cat5 cable. This is an ordinary networking cable you can buy from our website or find at any number of other retail outlets. The two jacks on the ZR30 are identical. It doesn't matter which one you use for the input. We offer an XLR to Cat5 cable adapter if you're connecting to a 5-pin or 3-pin DMX controller. You also might use a short Cat5 cable and then add a female-to-female coupler so that later on it's easy to hook this up when you're up in the lighting grid. Now, let's explore the colors we can create. Turn up red and green full to make a nice strong yellow. If you want a bright amber, you can mix in some white. At the opposite end of the color wheel, you can achieve a pure blue, and if you blend in green, you get a deep aqua cyan. All these colors will be the same if you buy 10 of the ZR30, because the LED emitters are carefully binned and then the entire assembly is color calibrated. In fact, if you slide RGB up full, you can see a very intense cool white, calibrated to 6500K. Here the color light meter is registering 6500K. With the RGBW up full, the color will end up at 4500K, which of course can be turned up or down by crossfading the white and RGB sliders to go towards cooler or warmer whites. Here's another great feature. If you only want a fixed color, you can make a tungsten warm white 2700K with CRI above 95. This would be great for a gallery or museum or for lighting the runway of a fashion show. The tungsten setting is only one of many fixed selectable colors that have been designed specifically for stage, studio, and gallery applications. Visit our website for more information and all the latest product details.